What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leah Sunday, and I'm here today to give you guys a quick quarantine hairstyle. All right, so this is the hair I'm going to be using. It's the this is from the beauty supply store. It's like $25 a bundle. I tried this hair before and it's really good. So I got 2 packs of the 18-inch. I probably didn't even need to go that long because once you wrap it from the bottom, and you'll see it once I do it, once you wrap it from the bottom, it's it makes it longer, appear longer than what it really is. Then I have my Hicks edge control. It's the most expensive one, but it's the best, so I buy it. Of course, I got my Got To Be Glued freeze spray. And then you're gonna need a dirty edge control brush. Don't use a clean one. I'm joking. A rat tail comb. Your boyfriend's brush, husband, man, whatever. They have the best brushes. I got these just in case. Some the beeswax natural lock molding paste, because that thing really slapped my hair down. Okay, and I got some flat irons for my puffy hair in the front. We're using these 24 karat golden under eye mask, so it can go under my eye. It says keep your eyes looking young forever. I'm not advertising y'all for free, but these are from Amazon, and it's supposed to get rid of the bags in the eyes. I get started. Yesterday I was supposed to make this video, but unfortunately I had a rough day yesterday. I was so behind in work. I was late for work. My tire popped as I was driving down Dark Creepy Road. It's this road that I drive down on my way to work, and I call it Dark Creepy Road because one is dark, it's creepy, and deers pop out nonstop. All you see is all road. They have no lights, and it's the fastest way I can get to work, and a bunch of dead deers on each side. And it's like, it's so narrow. There's no sidewalk. I said every time since I've been working there over a year now, I've been saying if I ever break down, please Lord, don't ever let me break down right here. Don't you know I broke down right there yesterday? So I called my fiance and he came to the rescue. He changed my tire, saved me, and then on my way back home, which is almost an hour away from my house, it's like, warning, back tire. I'm like, oh my God, no. I was like, please Lord, let me make it home. And you ever like driving when you know something's wrong with your car, like when you're about to run out of gas or you know your tire's about to go, and you be just like praying to get to a spot where you can walk the rest of the way from and just ditch your car? That was me yesterday. But anyway, so the point I was trying to make is, yesterday I wanted to make the video because I told you guys on Friday I would announce the winner of my very first giveaway. So it is time, drum roll please. The winner is Random X of Leo. Congratulations. So, okay, if you watched to the end of the video on my Get Ready With Me for Work, the rules were, I was like at 19, maybe 15, 16 minutes into the video, and I was like, hey guys, if you made it this far, just acknowledge that you've seen this giveaway. And just say like, you know, I want to enter. Pretty much just comment that. One, she was the only one who commented that. Other people text me about the giveaway, and I'm just like, that wasn't the rules. But that's not why she won, honestly. The reason why she won is because from day one, from my Fashion Nova haul all the way up until my snowball fight with my daughter the other day, she has literally watched every single last video, liked every single last video, and commented on every single last video. So she has shown so much love. When I tell you that this woman don't know me from a can of paint, but now we're YouTube family, we're YouTube sisters now, and I watch her channel as well and show her the same love back. But she has been so amazing. So the grand prize, I never announced what the prize is going to be, so it is a cash share prize. Yes, because what I mean, if I buy you something, it's not going to get there in enough time for Christmas, and it is a holiday giveaway, and also just for supporting me. So it is going to be a $50 cash app giveaway. So Random X of Leo, if you're watching this, which I know you will within 24 hours, that doesn't mean it goes away after 24 hours. You just always watch it the same day that I release it. But when you watch this, please comment your cash app name and I will send it to you directly. I don't know if you have an Instagram for me to DM you. I tried to actually look for it on your page the other day. Then I ended up finding this cool chili recipe and I got distracted. But make sure you guys check her page out too. this paste. And especially at the roots, mainly at the roots. I can't see back there, y'all, so if I'm messing up, let me know. Use the rough side. If y'all can see my tattoo, let me explain that real quick. I was young, dumb, and stupid, and I got a dude named tattooed on the back of my neck. Like, that was so stupid. And I realized that was so stupid, so I got it covered. So I didn't have much options, or maybe I shouldn't have got it done in somebody's basement. He didn't break my heart. I broke his heart. Anyway, he just said, oh, I could cover up with this. He didn't give me many options, and I was so desperate to get it covered up because I was in my relationship that I'm in now. Or did I get it done before I met him? I think I covered it up as soon as we broke up. But I think he still has my name. I'm like, you might as well cover it up, bro. But yeah, that was dumb. Don't ever put nobody's name on you. Like, I'm about to be married by next summer, and I'm still not. So, next layer. Yeah, we're going to do a low pony. This would be the hardest part because it's like, ouch, soft side. Then once we figure out where we want it, we're going to use the edge control. I just sprayed the crap out my ear. Oops, wrong side. All right. And then I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna have this in the bag soon, y'all. Now, right now, my quality gonna start off a little rough. My audio, my content probably be a little, but I promise y'all, stick with me on this journey and everything's gonna get so much better. I really do appreciate y'all, each and every single last one of y'all. So, guys, I'm going to braid my hair into a ponytail.
Spiky. It looks hard to braid with nails.
All right, so we're gonna open up this.